Today I will show you my method for dicing tomatoes without crushing them. If you are using a knife like this, make sure it's well sharpened, because that's the secret. I start by cutting the tomato in half to remove the parts that are not useful. Pay attention, I make the cut slightly to the side of the tomato's top, and you will see why. I remove any damaged parts until the tomato is nice and clean. To take off the top, I make a triangular cut so that I don't waste anything. Once the tomatoes are clean, I remove the seeds with my fingers. I begin by slicing the tomato into strips like this. This is the thickness I prefer. If the last part is tricky to cut, just rotate it and you will be able to keep slicing. Once you have made all the strips, turn the tomato till the pieces slightly and make the same cuts to get perfectly diced tomatoes. A tip I have for you is that when you turn in the tomato, hold the pieces like this and tilt them slightly to keep them from moving. Be careful with your fingers. Notice that for the first cut, I hold the tomato with my first 3 fingers, and for the second cut, I place all my fingers on top of the tomato. This is the best way to cut them properly. And I have to tell you, my friend, that at first I used to get caught, but I learned that it all depends on how you hold the vegetables and the most important thing, what knife you are using. Don't get frustrated if you cut slowly, go at your own pace and over time you will get faster.